Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create AI videos with OpenAI Sora. Sora is OpenAI's text-to-video AI model. This model generates short video clips based on user prompts. To create videos on Sora, click Login on the top right and then sign in using your OpenAI account. You'll then be asked to choose a plan. If you skip and continue with free browsing, you'll only be allowed to watch other people's videos, but you can't generate your own. Once you're done with that, go to All Videos on the sidebar. Input a prompt in the prompt box, hit enter and wait for a few seconds. Sora can generate a number of variations depending on your specified settings. To adjust how many variations Sora generates for you, click on the last icon in the prompt box with a 2V written in it. 2 versions is Sora's default, but you can increase or reduce the number of versions. Still on the prompt bar, you can adjust the video's aspect ratio, resolution, and length. If you didn't quite get what you wanted with your prompt, you can use Remix to modify the video by describing what you want to be altered. Simply click Remix and choose between Mild, Strong, Max, and Custom. The changes made can range from subtle to dramatic reworks. Now, just a few reminders. To get the best out of Sora, it's very important to keep your prompts simple and to avoid complicated object interactions. Once you're satisfied with your video, click on the top right icons to add to favorite, download, share via link, or organize. And that's pretty much it. Keep experimenting with prompts until you create your perfect AI video with Sora. The key really is to keep at it. The more you tweak, the better your results. I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. Do like, comment, and drop the link to your AI videos in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.